Dear friends, in this video we are dealing with the enzymes involved in sucrose synthesis. First is sucrose phosphate synthase. This enzyme is the key regulator of sucrose synthesis and its activity is tightly controlled at multiple levels that are transcriptional, allosteric and post-translational. Second is sucrose synthase. This enzyme plays important role in sucrose metabolism and involved in the reversible conversion of sucrose to other sugars, influencing various metabolic pathways. And last is invertase. This enzyme break down sucrose into glucose and fructose. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.